Let's move on, round back here. So right now, everything slow. Give you a break, slower, okay? We do round from fifth position. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg up. 5, 6, 7. First position on 8. And then we do 2 slow again. No, 2 slow again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then you go brush on 5, pass it really on 6, immediately release bar 7, back face on 8. From back reverse, slow, don't go fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. You leg up, okay, 45 degree will be good. To the side slow, work on turn out muscle to the front, and then first. Slow again, 1, 2, 3, 4. This time follow with brush, pass it back. Quick release on 7, only 1 count, clear on 8. And then we do pull one front, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count your back, slide down all the way. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to su-su. Just stay on su-su, along the arm, release bar. Big V.